Hey guys, thank you for stopping by here at The Trading Analyst. Yes, the sound is working this time for those of you that tried to watch the oil video that I did the other day. My apologies there. I did not record my audio, but obviously it's working now if you can hear my voice. So what I want to point out is, we're going to get right into it. So first and foremost, oil has been in a major uptrend here for the last couple of years. We're looking at 2 years of action on the weekly chart. Okay, I focus a lot on the daily charts, but for particular instances where it's a lot easier to see on the weekly chart, I do focus on the weekly chart. So here is the weekly chart for oil. This is USO going back about 2 years. Okay, so what I want to point out is we've got a couple of major uptrends that we still have as support. And it's a good reason to kind of step back and look at the weekly chart is because you get a really good picture of what's happened prior to this moment, and you get a more calmer picture. Because if you look at the daily chart, you might think, oh, oil's crashing, it's not going to bounce, yada yada yada. But if you look at it, what we're seeing recently has really happened several times before. Here, right here, here it happened just in a shorter amount of time, but you can see it bounce right there. So you can see there's waves that happen on this uptrend. Okay, so that's the other thing I want to mention. And the thing here is we've been bullish on oil for ever since it broke over this trend line right back here. As you can see, that produced some huge gains. If you were on USO, that's almost 100% gain if you were following our free videos. So let's get into the chart, because that's all you really care about. You don't really care about what happened in the past. So we've got this major trend line that started back here, and you can see that we're right at that trend line right now. So the trend line started here. You can see several candles bouncing right off of it right here. We haven't really touched it since just now for a while, but it is still a very important trend line. So there's that trend line that we're above. Then, if you draw this trend line from starting over here, you can see, and both these are lining up at the same area, but it's important to note, both trend lines. So we have this trend line has even more touches. The more touches a trend line has, the more powerful and the more probability it has for giving the commodity or stock a bounce. So we have that. It bounced here, there, right there, and here we are right up against it right there. So we've got two major trend lines, both lining up in the same area. Okay, this has been in an uptrend here for quite some time, and in order for stocks or commodities or anything that trades with price, in order for it to make a big move, you need to have some kind of an energy buildup. And you get an energy buildup by sideways trading, compressed trading, where you have a lot of buyers and sellers trading shares or what have you within that range, so that it builds up energy for that next move higher. Okay, that's just how it works. So if you look here, just as an example, what we saw previously over, let's look, I'm going to go back 3 years, just so you can see the breakout that we saw previously. So this is just an example to show you what we need in order for a big move to happen in oil, okay, in anything. So right here, we traded sideways for quite some time, okay, and then we ended up breaking out, okay. It was able to break out huge and gain almost 100% because of all of this sideways trading. It built up a lot of energy. The buyers and sellers were able to get out, and the sellers were able to get out and the buyers were able to get in during this period of time. It built up a lot of energy. Even in this period right here, traded sideways a little bit right here for about 6 months straight. We haven't seen anything like that in this recent action. Okay, so in order for it to do that, it needs to get more sideways trading. for a real trend change to happen. So that's reason number 2. So we've got 2 reasons here why oil is most likely going to get a bounce. Okay, this isn't a for sure 100% thing. I don't have a crystal ball. I hope that you don't think that anybody else has a crystal ball. And that's the first thing that you have to do as a trader. You have to realize what's happening in the market. It's not about being right every time, and it's not really about being right. It's about when you're right, you need to capture the big moves. And when you're wrong, you need to stop out really quickly so you make your losses smaller and your gains much larger. Okay, which brings me to my next point here. Well, actually, before we get into that, I want to kind of summarize here my thoughts on oil. So we've got the 2 uptrend lines right here that are matching up perfectly. So that's 2 reasons right there. We also have the fact that oil did not trade sideways at all before this dump down. Okay, we just went up, we got rejected up here, and then we headed lower back into these major trend lines. So that's 3 reasons here that I think that oil is going to get a bounce somewhere around these levels. You know, if you look at the weekly or the daily chart, you know, it looks more scary. Okay, you've got a lot of gap downs, you've got big volume, but if you kind of back it up and look at the weekly chart like we did, it doesn't look so bad. You know, we're right here at this trend line, and it's not to say that it can't break through this trend line. Okay, this is not a for sure thing, but the probabilities do favor that oil is most likely going to get a bounce. So I really, really hope this video helped you out. You know, I really, really want you to be able to learn from these videos. That's why we make them. And that brings me to my next point. I want you to ask yourself these questions, these 3 questions, and answer them honestly. Okay, only you know the answers to these questions. Okay, so question number 1 that you're going to ask yourself is, are you making the kind of money in the market that you know is possible? Okay, you know you can make more money. Are you leaving money on the table? Okay, question number 2, are you working with a proven mentor who's helping you achieve your goals of become consistently profitable in the market week in and week out, month after month, year after year? Are you doing that? Number 3, do you miss trades because you lack either the confidence or knowledge or both? Okay, really think about those questions, all right? Because if you answered those questions to yourself, you know, you need to make some kind of a change, all right? You need to make some kind of a change, and that change that you can make to become consistently profitable is by joining us here at the Trading Analyst Premium membership. And the main thing here that you're going to get access to is the easy to follow real-time trade alerts. And these are always pre-researched by me. These are both buy and sell alerts sent via text message with exact entry and exit parameters. So you're going to know exactly what to do and when to do it. Whenever I'm buying something, I'm sending you a message. When I'm selling something, I'm sending you a message. All right? You've got me in your back pocket at all times. The next thing here is you can start making money in the market right now. Right now. Not 6 months from now, not a year from now, but right now. You're going to have the opportunity to make money in the market every single day. We had 2 100% winners today, just today. Okay, this is just a random day, and we had 200% winners within our trading service here. And you're going to be able to make money because you're using a proven system. This was working before you came here, and it's going to work after, whether you become a member or not. And all you have to do is join, and you're going to be able to use something that's already working. It's a proven system. I've been doing this for almost a decade now, and I've developed a system here that works in both up and down markets. And this is also going to save you time because, you know, what a lot of people are doing right now, and, you know, tell me if this sounds familiar, is that, you know, they're looking at a bunch of charts, doing a bunch of analysis, kind of struggling to find the right strategy, bouncing around from strategy to strategy, and reading a bunch of news articles, watching CNBC, reading blog posts, listening to podcasts, and at the end of the day, none of that is producing any results for you. Okay, so it's a waste of time. If it's not producing results, then it's a waste of time. So not only is this going to allow you to make more money in the market, but it's going to save you time as well, because that's what we do. We do the analysis, we do the research for you, because we're the professionals. All right, we're the professionals. This is what I've been doing for almost a decade now, and I love it. I love it, and this is my full-time job. This is what I do to make money for myself and my clients. So you can count on that. And this is going to allow you to trade from anywhere, because all you need is a cell phone. So if you have a full-time job or a part-time job, we have a lot of stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home dads, retirees. If that's you, then it's going to work for you. We have students too that are in school that are using these alerts to make money in the market on a consistent basis. All you need is a cell phone. And the goals here for the trade alerts are 8 to 10 winning trades per month. Right now we have well over 10 winning trades for this month, for October. So it kind of depends on what we're seeing in the market. We're seeing a lot of volatility, so that is creating a lot of trading opportunities. So it just kind of depends on what we're seeing in the market. We focus on quality and not quantity, but generally we stick, it ends up being around 8 to 10 winning trades on normal months. The next goal here is 100% to 500% returns per trade, and if that sounds high to you, it's not high, it's very realistic. The reason we're able to do that is because we trade options mostly. Most of our alerts are for options, and we get 100% to 500% returns per trade every single week. Today we have over 2 that are over 100% gains, like I mentioned earlier. And again, it depends on the market conditions. We also had a 5% winner that happened yesterday, so it really depends on what we're seeing in the market. But again, generally we stick to around 100% to 500% returns per trade. The last goal here is $100,000 in annual returns for each and every one of our members, and that number is very realistic. When you're making these kinds of trades, the 100% to 500% returns per trade can get you to 100 grand quick. And this program here, it's called the Millionaire Trader Blueprint. I'm going to move my face a little bit. It has everything that you need to be successful. So it's not just the trade alerts, okay? We're not just an alert service. You're going to get instant access to the Option Accelerator course. It's going to teach you beginning to end how to trade options profitably. Extensive educational video library. We go over strategies. We go over mindset. We go over anything under the sun is covered in that educational video library, and you're going to get access to that. We have over 30 hours of video content in there. Number 4 is you're getting the Millionaire Trader videos. These are updated weekly, and it's what's going on in the market right now. We cover the market. We cover trades that we're in, everything under the sun that's going to help you make money in the market, the current market, what's going on right now. Number 5 is the Professional Trading Watch List. A big reason why people fail in the market is because they don't come prepared with a plan of action every single day. And number 2, they don't have the discipline to stick to that. So if that sounds like you, then you need these Professional Trading Watch Lists, because they're going to help you be prepared every single day to make money in the market. We take this very seriously. Okay, we're not gambling. This is our job, and we take this very seriously. The watch list is a big priority here, and you're getting access to that. And number 6 is you can ask me anything at any time. You have almost virtually 24/7 access to me via email or via text message. I'm here to answer any questions you have about the trades that we're in or about anything regarding the market. I'm here to help you succeed in the market and grow your account on a consistent basis and become a better trader. So 7 is you're getting access to the private mastermind community where you're going to be able to mix and mingle with other successful traders outside of myself, many of which are making 6 figures annually, as well as all the rest of our members as well. You're getting access to that. It's a great way to become a better trader is by being around other people who are where you want to be. And best of all, you have the potential to make the biggest profits of your life. Okay, I know that sounds like a big promise, but you know the market here is so beautiful because it's not like any other job out there. There is no ceiling to how much money you can make. All right, that's a fact. And I'm here to make sure that you have the most success possible. All right, that's my job, and that's what I love to do. And you can get started today for only $6.99 for the entire year. It's a limited time offer. It's not going to be around forever. It's $6.99 for the entire year, 12 months access to everything that I just talked about. And I want to put this into perspective for you. It is a one-time payment of $6.99, but if you broke it down into monthly payments, it would be $58 a month, which is cheaper than your cell phone bill. If you broke it down into a daily rate, it'd be $1.90 a day, which is cheaper than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. All right, and to put that into further perspective is that your cell phone bill and your coffee, once you spend that money, it disappears. Okay, yes, you have access to your cell phone, and yes, you have the coffee, but it's not giving you any money in return, which is totally different from the Millionaire Trader Blueprint program because this will give you a return on your investment, okay? Because every single day you have the opportunity to make money in the market with these proven profitable trade alerts, all right? And I want to warn you that this is a special offer and it is ending soon, okay? If the checkout page says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it, okay? You're not going to be let in. I'm very serious about that. By waiting to register, you risk losing your spot. We have to limit the amount of people that we can let in because myself and my team are investing our own personal time and attention to each individual member, and we want to give you and every other member the attention that you deserve and that you need to be successful in the market. So that's why we have to limit it, and we have a few openings right now. And once the capacity is met, then that's it. Okay, 0 people are going to be let in. So you have to act now if you want to be let in. So when you join the program here, you're going to be able to say goodbye to wasting hours of your time looking at a bunch of charts, news articles, only for it to produce poor results. Say goodbye to that. You're going to be able to say goodbye to stressing about finding a new strategy or a strategy period that you can count on for both up and down markets to make you money consistently. Next, you can say goodbye to guessing when it comes to finding winning trades, all right? Because you're going to be able to have the confidence to use our proven system and our proven trades. Next, you can say goodbye to wondering what it's like to be consistently profitable in the market, because now you're going to have all the tools that you need to be successful, all right? So, for the price of a coffee a day, or actually cheaper than that, you can make daily profits like these. These are just a few examples of my recent trading days, profits from those days. And again, when you join, you're getting access to all of my trades in real time. So yes, these are my gains, but they can be your gains too if you're participating in these trades. Just a couple of examples: $800, $1,900, $72 on a small day, $1,700, $2,800, $450 over here. And these are just a few examples, a few random days that I picked out, and this is what's possible. Okay, this is what's possible. So these are just a few. Let me move my face again. These are just a few examples of a couple people who have joined after watching. Let me silence my phone. Who became a member after watching a video just like you're on right now. Here's Ryan. He joined, and after a few weeks, he made almost $7,000. Here's his brokerage statement he sent us. He also uses E-Trade like I do. And here's Ron. He made $8,300 using our strategies, using our trades. He joined recently, and he made $8,300 in a month. In a month, he made that after joining. These are real members, real profits, all right? And here's Kevin, and a little backstory on Kevin. Kevin was completely brand new to trading. He had never traded before. He did some paper trading, but never with any real money. Okay, on his first day trading, when he joined, okay, his first day of trading was when he joined with us. He made $2,000, just over $2,000 actually. And this is what's possible. I'm not promising you you're going to make $2,000 on your first day of joining, okay? But I'm showing you what is possible. It can happen for you, okay? And I want this for you. I want this for you. I want you to be successful. You know, this is what I take pride and joy in, is when my members are doing this and having success. You know, it's one thing for me to have success, which is awesome. I love it. But it's even better when I'm helping other people have success, and I want this for you. I want you to be our next success story. And here's what you need to do right now. All right? Here's what I want you to do right now. Click the button below this video and fill out the registration form. Then you're going to be able to log into the private members area and watch the welcome video. Okay? We set you up. We hold your hand throughout the entire process. We don't just have you sign up and pat you on your butt and send you on your merry way and hope that you have success. No, we're holding your hand throughout the entire process because it's my job to make sure that you are successful. It's what I love to do, and that's what I want to do for you. So the next thing here is you can get started with the training material, all the options education, technical analysis, strategies, mindset, everything that we have for you. You can get started with that training material. And lastly, just get ready for the trade alerts. All right. As soon as you sign up, you're going to be entered into the text alert system. And as soon as we have a trade that is ready to issue, you're going to receive it right away. And you're going to be able to have the opportunity to make money right away. Not tomorrow, not the next day, but as soon as you sign up, you're getting instant access to these trade alerts. And don't wait another second to sign up, guys. We only have a few spots left during this enrollment period, so I don't want you to miss out. All right. So next, all you got to do is scroll below this video, and you're going to see everything that you get when you sign up and you join today. And keep scrolling down to this box, and you're going to see that special offer that we have right now. Add to cart at 85% off. Click that button, and you're going to get this special offer. And you're going to be taken instantly to the 100% secure checkout page. And once you get here, just enter in your name, your email, choose a password, enter in your phone number. Make sure this is a phone number you get texts on, because this is how you receive the buy and sell alerts. And you just go down here and enter in your billing information, and that's it. That's it. Just click agree to the terms of service right there, and then click submit order. Or you can check out with PayPal. Either way, it's totally fine. Doesn't matter to us. It's just an option available to you. Remember that if you are checking out with PayPal, you don't have to enter in your billing information here. You can just go straight to that PayPal button right there. So that's it. Once you click submit order or check out with PayPal, you're going to get instant access to everything that we talked about. Most importantly, you're getting instant access to these real-time trade alerts where you're going to have the opportunity to make money every single day. So I look forward to seeing you in there, and I really hope that you make this decision, and I hope to help you make money in the market on a consistent basis and become a better trader. I'll see you in there.